conversation, heading for disaster. You're painting over cracks with a careless kind of smile, but I've been studying the blueprint, and it's been a little while. And I'm not saying that it's all your fault. We both built up this wall, but I'm the only one who seems to care at all. It's a Sunday morning, payphone kind of love, dialing up a memory that's not enough. I'm screaming at the static feed, and if my dimes were running out of seconds, we're running out of time. This is a Sunday morning, payphone love, yeah.
Remember when the static was a symphony we'd play? We talked until the sunrise.